Hi everyone, I'm Liang Zhen, a postdoc at the Age Lab, Princeton University. Today I'm going to talk about the economic viability of a cloud virtual service provider. This is a joint work with Carly Zhou at Carnegie Mellon University, Chris Brinton and Meng Chang at Princeton University, Chiwei Tan at City University of Hong Kong, and Sunny Hao at the University of Colorado.
In this work, we consider a volume discount pricing for the infrastructure as a service of cloud computing. Volume discount pricing offers a way for cloud providers to stabilize user demand. Under the scheme, users are charged a lower unit price if their usage exceeds a given threshold. For instance, the green user can run one instance for 4 hours at the price of 3. In real life, Google offers a sustained use discount to its users that is applied to longer-lasting jobs in a regressive way.
Although not all users' jobs are long-term, they could pool their jobs together and jointly create a virtualized longer job to take advantage of the sustained use discount. This leads to an opening for a Cloud Virtual Service Provider, or CVSP. The CVSP plays a role as a middleman between the cloud provider and users with short jobs. The idea of a CVSP is to rent long-term instances from the cloud provider and sublease the instance hours to users with short jobs. Users pay lower unit prices than they would by buying directly from the cloud provider, and the CVSP can make a profit by reselling this rented capacity at a small markup. In a paper that we published at Sigmetrics in 2016, we studied the CVSP's strategy on the number of instances to rent from the cloud provider and the price to charge users, which will in turn affect the characteristics of the system workload and user demands, leading to different number of users defecting from the cloud providers to the CVSP.
This figure shows the number of jobs defecting from the cloud provider to the CVSP for different usage ranges and prices. Although a larger number of rented instances and lower prices lead to more jobs defecting, the CVSP can only serve a limited number of jobs.
This figure compares the cloud provider revenue before and after the CVSP enters the market for selective values of prices and numbers of rented instances. Although the cloud provider loses some revenue, it retains more than 85% of its original revenue, as represented by the dashed black line. The CVSP does not completely take over the cloud provider's business, and offloading shorter jobs to the CVSP reduces the cloud provider's cost of tracking those user accounts and billing users for those jobs.